Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install VLC Media Player in Linux or Ubuntu 24.04 operating system. Now at first you have to open terminal. To open terminal you have to press Ctrl Alt T on the keyboard. Now type the command sudo space apt space update and then press enter on the keyboard. And then you have to enter your computer password and then press enter. This command refreshes the package lists from the configured repositories, ensuring your system has the latest information about available software packages and their versions. This command does not install or upgrade any packages. It only updates the information about what's available for installation or upgrade. Now type the command sudo space apt space upgrade and then press enter on the keyboard. This command downloads and installs the newest version of all packages that are currently installed on your system. When it asks for continue, just press Y and then press enter on the keyboard. Once the download is completed, installation starts automatically. Users need to wait till the installation is completed. Now type the command apt space install space VLC and then press enter on the keyboard. Sorry, we have to provide the sup user privilege to the above command. So type sudo sudo and then space apt space install VLC and then press enter on the keyboard, and then you have to enter your computer password. This command will download and install the VLC Media Player in Linux or Ubuntu 24.04 operating system. Now to open the program, just type the program name, that is VLC, and then press enter on the keyboard. And as you see, VLC is open. You can also open this program from the show apps option. Just click on show apps, which is located bottom left corner. Now type VLC in the search box and click on VLC icon as you see VLC Media Player is opened. So friends, in this way you can install VLC Media Player in Linux or Ubuntu 24.04. Thanks for watching this video.